Hey y'all, this is Ann at Georgia and Alabama Campers, and I guess I'm going to show my age again, but this is a 19 CSK. It's a vintage from Gulfstream, and guess what it is? Y'all, it's a Laura Ashley. If you're a girl of the 80s, I mean, maybe even if you're a dude from the 80s, but definitely if you're a girl, a Laura Ashley is all that you ever wanted. Like bedding, they had prom dresses, they had everything. And if you had something Laura Ashley, man, you were it. So, y'all come on in, but before you do, just click right here, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you'll get notified when we've got new campers. I don't know if we've got any more Laura Ashleys coming, but can't wait to show you inside. Come on in. All right, y'all, so come on in this 19 CSK. So I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of the decor. Let's start back here. So the first thing I'm going to show you, y'all, it's a blue fridge, and it matches. Refrigerator, freezer. Now, you may be like, why are there placemats in the fridge? Well, doesn't everybody keep their placemats in the fridge? On a serious note, you'll notice you've got little placemats and little coasters. So this camper comes with a table that folds up and gets neatly put away, and it goes right here in front of the sofa, but it's safely stowed up in the pass-through. So that's what the placemats are for, but you notice that they do match. We've got a wardrobe and a big storage area. So if you want hanging clothes or if you want towels or bedding, anything can go in that storage area. All right, back here, this is a rear bath. So you've got a nice big space here. So you've got overhead storage here. You've got your fan, little medicine cabinet, lots of counter room here, little space down here to store other things. A little bit of storage down there, although not a ton. Your toilet, I'm going to give you 3 stars for knee space. And then I love the glass shower because you've got the curved space. And look, you guys, you've even got like styled beadboard shower in a camper. That's because it's a Laura Ashley. All right. So come on in here. So we're not going to even talk about this yet. This is going to be the final thing I'm going to talk about. But let's talk first. So here's your control panel. You've got a little storage here. In the kitchen, you've got a residential style stainless steel sink, which is a great thing in a camper. You've got some overhead storage. These are for the wheels. So these are little stainless steel covers for the wheels. Got a microwave. This is your sound control. You've got overhead storage here. You've got plenty of light. 3-burner stove with an oven. Again, we're not talking about that yet. Storage here. Storage down there. And then 3 super wide drawers. They're not incredibly deep, but they're plenty deep enough to do utensils. I mean, lots of storage everywhere. All right, now, let's come over here on this side. So this is a jackknife sofa. Again, blue matches, love the plaid. Look at the curtains. I'm going to tell y'all something. So check these curtains out. They've got a burlap back. So this is just not like a single piece of material. These are weighty, like Laura Ashley style curtains with burlap. You've got a storage there. Turn that light on. Storage over here. Electrical outlet. This does have a solar onboard solar control panel. It's right there ready to go. And then over here, look at the bedding. I mean, everything matches. You've even got a neck pillow. You've got side storage over here with wardrobe, overhead. I mean, if you ever did want a she shed and someplace to take your friends camping, this would be it. Got an extra TV backer over here. And then, guys, this privacy curtain, you guys, it's got bows on it. Bows here. I mean, everything is what they thought about. Now, let me get to the final piece here. And honestly, for me, this would probably be all the reason I need to buy this camper. Y'all, this camper comes with a Laura Ashley teapot. I mean, excuse me, a Laura Ashley stove top kettle. You can complete your entire Laura Ashley camper with a teapot that comes with it. Y'all, come see this camper at Georgia and Alabama Campers. I guarantee you, you will not be disappointed with how pretty this camper is.